round selection of the night.
With the 30th pick in the 2013 NFL Draft, the St. Louis Rams select Alec Ogletree, linebacker, Georgia.
Well, I'll tell you, Les Snead played a little poker tonight and won. Alec Ogletree with some off-the-field issues slid. He's much more talented a player than the 30th overall pick in the draft. Had some well-known off-the-field issues. He plays linebacker like the safety he used to be, but he does have an exciting skill set. This kid does not take on the blockers, but he's a great athlete, and he just looks relieved to me.
There it is in Atlanta, Georgia, where he just learned that he's going to go be a St. Louis Ram. And here he is from his days between the hedges there.
Yeah, we talk. Go ahead, Marshall. They have James Laurinaitis. They've been looking for outside linebackers. They've tried to plug different guys in. You put this guy at the weak side linebacker spot, and now you have a guy that, I mean, he can flat out get after it. I believe that this is a great addition to this defense that's, I mean, it's stout. We saw it on Thursday Night Football against the Cardinals. They're going to be pretty good. He's going to really add to what they're doing right now. Jeff Fisher loves these types of guys.
And we remember a guy named Brian Urlacher, who used to be a safety, moved to be a pretty darn good linebacker. Now this guy can run. He's 4'7". They're going to put some meat on his bones, and he's going to become a heck of a linebacker. He was suspended for 4 games. That's in the past. He'll be fine. They'll take good care of him, but they're going to make him into a good linebacker over there.
And Les Snead and Jeff Fisher showed last year with Janoris Jenkins that they're willing to go ahead and see if even they see some flags, they just go ahead and take the kid. And how well did Jenkins play?
Too.
Right.
You mentor him too. And now you use Jenkins to mentor Ogletree.
So now the Cowboys, and we saw them as we went to break on their War Room camera.